wow.
I love you, India.
Guys, welcome to my channel Engineering Travel. Yes, it has been a long time I come in front of you guys. So I finished my backpacking of 142 days around Europe and Turkey and Iran and Azerbaijan. So I'm going to explain you throughout this video and next coming series of video how I have traveled the world. So you also guys can travel the world with a very low budget. So if you and before going to the video, if you not watched my Schengen visa video, so click on the I button or it's in the description, so you can see that how you can also get the Schengen visa. So without wasting much time, let's jump into the video, guys.
I'm in my 22nd country, Baku, the capital of Azerbaijan. Yesterday I reached on 27th February 2022. Yesterday around 9:30 I reached my visa there, and immigration was not a problem, so it was breeze. I just finished 2 minutes. They said welcome to Baku. That's it, guys. So after coming outside the airport, I took a bus towards the city center, which cost me around 1.3 manat. Yes, you have to drop 10-20 manat, whatever you want, from the near bank. From the airport, ATM airport. So then you can use it to buy the card. You need to buy the card before boarding to the bus. So card machine, vending machine is available. Just exit the airport on the other side, right and left side, both side it's available. So it's an yellow color one. So you can see that it's a bus ticket vending machine. So you can put 10 manat and get you one card with the 8 manat recharge in it. So you need to swipe that card. It will direct 1.3 manat to get into the city center from the airport, because it is very far. It takes around 40 minutes. Getting to city center, anywhere your location is, you can take either metro or you can take either bus. So it is flat 0.3 manat. So just flat 0.3 manat. It doesn't mean how long you travel, so how far you travel, and it just 0.3 manat. Swipe once and sit in a bus and go wherever you want. Before going to the full video, please, I'm going to a lot of countries and I need your support. Please subscribe to my channel and bell icon so that you'll get notification when I upload a new video, guys. So okay, if you like the video, give me a like at the end of it. Okay guys, so this is a fountain which is in this park right now, which I was speaking to you guys. It's a Soviet Union type of fountain, and you can see it's very beautifully decorated. It's very old, but there's no water. I just came to the Freedom Park and it's very beautiful, but the climate is very hazy. You can see that buildings. It's all buildings, lovely buildings over here, and you can see that flame tower, the landmark of Baku. Baku is also called as Fire City because of they have a fire temple over here. I'll be taking you guys there also. It's very beautiful, Baku. While coming from airport, I could see lot of very beautiful buildings. It's same like Dubai because they have lot of money, lot of wealth due to the oil resources, and it's very beautiful. They have a ferry service from here. It's around 5 manat and 30 minutes the cruise time is. So if you guys coming in summer, you can take. Now it is closed, there is no ferry. That's what his security guy said me. Most of the views, everything. So keep watching the video. I'll be sharing lot of information while in this video. Allah bangi Allah waterfront. Around 20 manat to get inside. So you can see it's a 12th century monument, and there is lot of mystery behind that. There was a fire which was continuously lit inside the tower. Now it is not there, but there is nobody knows how it was extinguished, and now inside it's a museum. You can go to the top and you can enjoy the view from the top of this maiden tower, and entry fee is around 20 manat, guys. So it's around Indian rupees 900 manat. Guys, I'm just outside the Yasil Bazaar. You can see that building behind me. This is a building which is open market, having all the vegetables, fruits, everything inside. So let's go and explore inside Yasil Bazaar, guys. Yeah. Salam, salam. Salam. India, Hinduski. Salam. दोस्तों देखो कहाँ है हिंदुस्की
Natsona, Natsandi, Kitosi, Amsapya.
वाह 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 बहुत खुश हुआ बढ़िया
I love you, India.
Yeah, spasibo, thanks. Guys, so I'm in front of Haydar Alias Marquez. He is one of the greatest president of Azerbaijan. He is the model architect of Azerbaijan. So after the war against Armenia, he built Azerbaijan from the scratch. So Azerbaijan is one of the energy rich country, and he made it what it looks like, the modern Azerbaijan. So his name is given to everywhere, the airport, the city center, most of the places his name is given. His name is Haydar Alias. So Haydar Alias, he was died in 2003, guys. So it will be open from 11 to 6 o'clock in every day, like except Monday. Monday it is holiday, from Tuesday to Sunday. So it will be open from 11 o'clock to 6 o'clock. You can come in, you can come and you can see inside, guys. So most of the museums, everything in Baku, it closed on Monday. Hi guys, so I just went inside and I asked for the rate, and to see the car collection it is around 10 manat, and for whole museum it is around 15 manat, and it is opened from 11 o'clock to 6 o'clock. You can buy the ticket here and you can go inside and you can see car collection is belong to Haydar Alias. So while he was president, the cars which he used, those are in for collection. Guys, if you want, you can come and see, or else you can take the beautiful photo outside. That's all it is. It is open from 10 to 6 o'clock. 7 p.m. it is closed. Every day? In a week. Okay, thank you. So you need to take the ticket, and it's 4 manat. I took the ticket for 4 manat. I'm going inside this temple right now. It is called a Fire Temple. So I'll tell you the story once I get inside. Thank you.
Was in Udupi, in the Krishna temple, the very old temple. I like it. A very old DT, maybe 5,000 years. So much. I love Vrindavan. And I was in the Rishikesh, Shiva place, and also Ramachandra also was in this place.
Welcome to Azerbaijan, to land of fire, our dear guests.
So guys, welcome to Azerbaijan, the land of fire.
Land of fire,
Yes.
fire mountain.
Yeah, Fire Mountain, Yanadag.
So I'm in Yanardag. Yanardag, you know, Azerbaijan is also called as land of fire, and this is a fire mountain. I am here right now, and I'm going to show you how the fire is uninterrupted fire. Like it's been from almost 70 years. Fee is 9 manat, guys. It's almost Indian rupees 400 rupees. So this is a very strange place, and you can see this. There is no place in the world equal to this. That's why I came here paying those 400 rupees. That's okay, fine, but nevertheless you cannot find anywhere place. So this is a very special place, and you can see the fire coming literally from the ground. ഇത് സൾഫർ ഇത് നല്ലതാണ് പറഞ്ഞത്.